saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once apart. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. Picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. Picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you, the look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb, and all that I have left from that time is a picture of you.
And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners, and so we go. I've been everywhere, I've seen so many things. I've loved and I have lost, I felt the vibe sting. I've died 100 times, but my heart is moving still. That is the journey that we're on, and to that starlit sky we gaze and question why. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners, and so
time will stop, it doesn't really matter. While wishing for something better, I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken.